Hello and welcome to today's Yoga Nidra or non-sleep deep rest session. If it's not your first time watching this, feel free to skip the intro. Timestamps are in the description. Otherwise, know that this practice is a powerful way to quickly and deeply relax. Numerous studies have shown its benefits on the mental and physical level. It can help you replace sleep you have lost, it can help you fall asleep back easier if you've woken up in the middle of the night, it is terrific for enhancing learning, memory, and your overall cognitive function. During this practice, you will be accessing a state between dreaming and sleeping, which can be even more potent than deep sleep. It is important to notice, as simply knowing information can change how your body responds to certain stimuli. If your sole purpose is to fall asleep, feel free to skip the following part, as I will be giving some recommendations on how to get the most out of this practice. The practice should be done in a dark and quiet room, somewhere you will not be disturbed. You should also try to remain awake and aware during the practice. However, falling asleep shortly during it is not a big issue. Therefore, doing it in a place you don't associate with sleep is beneficial, like the floor or a yoga mat, for example. It is also recommended to do it on an empty stomach, and if you're feeling sleepy prior to the practice, somehow re-energizing yourself might also be beneficial, like doing some light exercise or splashing some cold water in your face, for example. With all of that out of the way, let's proceed to the session.
As always, make yourself comfortable. Lie on your back, have your spine in alignment, feet slightly apart, palms facing towards the sky. Take a deep breath in, and as you let it go, start developing a sense of relaxation in the whole body. Set a small intention to leave all your worries, all your to-dos behind for the next few minutes. If thoughts come to disturb you, simply remember that it is always best to let them come, let them be, and let them go. Let's begin by calming our nervous system down with some physiological sigh cycling. It's an innate breathing pattern that goes like this. Breathe in deeply through the nose or mouth. At the top, breathe in a little bit more, and then sigh it out. Completely let go. A couple more like that. Now keep doing physiological sighs, but as you're letting go, do so with control through pursed lips as if you're blowing a whistle. And let it go slowly. Continue breathing in this way and make each exhale slower and slower. As you're getting more and more relaxed, become aware of your physical existence lying in the room. Notice any sounds in your environment. Notice the power of your brain and perception. It can attend to anything you choose. Move your awareness to your feet. What can you feel there? Their contact with the socks, or merely with plain air? It doesn't matter. Simply observe anything you can notice at your feet. Now, at your third eye, the area just between the eyebrows, picture a bright lamp hanging above you. Its warm glow illuminates your whole body, filling you with a deep sense of ease. Now the light softens, dimming for a moment, before narrowing to a single focused beam. It begins at your feet, gently lighting them up. Then it moves upward to include your ankles, shins, calves, bringing warmth and relaxation. It expands to include your knees, your thighs, releasing any tension as it goes. The light reaches your hips and pelvis, settling deeply into this foundation. Now it expands to include your torso, lighting up your abdomen, your lower back, then moving to your chest and upper back, opening space for your breath. It spreads into your shoulders, then down your arms, past your elbows, flowing into your hands, illuminating each finger, each palm with warmth and relaxation. Finally, the beam moves up your neck, relaxing your jaw, your cheeks, your temples. It reaches the crown of your head, and as it does, the light expands once more, softly, effortlessly, until your entire body is bathed in this glow, fully present, fully at ease. Stay in this full body awareness for a few moments. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. There's no need to change it, just notice it as it is. Feel the gentle rise and fall of the chest, the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Each breath arriving, each breath leaving, like waves returning to the shore. Notice the subtle pause between breaths, the quiet space where everything is still. Try and rest in that space for a moment, then let the breath flow again, steady and calm. If your mind starts drifting away, gently return to this rhythm. Inhale, exhale, no effort, no force, just the breath, guiding you deeper into rest, deeper into the present moment. Now start counting backwards after each inhale and exhale, starting with the number 44. Repeat to yourself silently. I am breathing in 44. I am breathing out 44. I am breathing in 43. I am breathing out 43. If you lose track or make a mistake, simply go back to the number 44. Now we will try to practice awareness of sensations. Begin with the feeling of coolness. Imagine a gentle breeze brushing across your skin, or the crispness of fresh air against your face, your arms, your torso, your legs, your feet. Notice how your body responds. Perhaps you feel a slight tingling, a subtle awakening. Whatever it is, stay with this sensation for a moment, simply observing. Now shift your awareness to a feeling of joy. Bring to mind any memory that made you truly happy, big or small. Maybe a time you laughed freely, felt deeply connected, or experienced pure ease. Let the memory unfold, not just a thought, but as a feeling in your body. Where does joy live within you? Is it a warmth in your chest, a lightness in your face, a sense of expansion? Let yourself rest in that feeling, allowing it to fill you completely. And now, gently let go of the memory, but keep the feeling. Let it linger as you return to the present moment, carrying its lightness with you. Become aware of your skin. Feel the air rest on it. Become aware of your heartbeat. Gently stretch your body. Move your ankles, your wrists. Don't rush, don't hurry. The world won't stop. When you are sure you are wide awake, you may slowly, gently open your eyes. The practice is now complete.
And that is it for the practice. I wish you a pleasant rest of your day or night. Stay mindful and hope to see you in the next one.